Hello students, welcome back. In today's chapter, I'm going to explain about another networking tool, and the name of tool is nslookup. Nslookup stands for name server lookup. So this is very helpful tool to determine the IP addresses or the domain names from where they are being resolved, and are they resolving to correct addresses. So this basically provides us information about the DNS server, and some of the common use cases are like just looking up for domain name, or looking up for mail server records, name server records, or all the records, or even a record. So these all terms that you are listening up now are actually DNS terms. If you want to query your DNS server, nslookup is very helpful, and I will now just pull my terminal and let's do a little bit practical here. So I'm assuming that let's say you have a Linux operating system where you are hosting your different websites, and you want to you end up with the problem that you are not able to resolve to your website. So that means your website is not working. What you will do in that case? So the first thing we can do is just simply we do ns lookup and then name of your domain name. So for example, let's say I'm saying here cloudsiksha.com. Now you see here it is resolving to one IP address. So being administrator, you will know that this IP address is correct or not. So maybe could be that the IP address you updated today was 114, but still it was the old address that is still being resolved. So that means DNS is not still updated, and sometime it takes some time for DNS to update its records, and then you are able to actually get the correct results for your application or for your website. So this is something we can validate and determine by nslookup. You can use alternatively all these different options also. If you want to query mail exchanger record, name server record, a record, etc., so then you can use all these different options. Sometimes what happens if you try to do multiple attempts with nslookup, then the remote server firewall might block you. So that's why I do not encourage you to try to the websites or domains that you are not authorized to do. So for example, here if you are trying to query MX, but if you keep trying it for google.com, that is not recommended. Even I am sharing it here just for knowledge sharing perspective, but I do not encourage any one of you that you keep trying this, because this is not good, this is illegal. And you see here I tried just a few attempts, and now you see here I'm being blocked, which is a correct thing. However, if such scenario happens with you in your network, then another option you have is just use nslookup, get into the tool, then you use set command here. So set, then type equal to type of mail record or any other record you want to query, set that type, and then type the domain name. In that way you will get the reply from the DNS server that what is actually the mail exchanger record here. But again, I'm repeating, do not do it for public domains, because we are not authorized to do this, and we should not do this. I'm just sharing it here for your knowledge, and this video is also for knowledge sharing. But these tools, they are kind of initiating security broadcast, which are not good. Same way I can use here now my own domain. At least I am authorized for my own domain, so I will use here cloudsiksha365.com, and you see now I'm getting here my mail exchanger record. Same way I can set now type equal to a record, and I will then query again my domain, that is cloudsiksha365.com. and I also encourage all of you that do it for your own application or application that you are supporting, you are authorized to do. So this was a brief overview about nslookup tool and a few tools I covered in my previous tutorial. Thank you very much for watching this video.